Hey guys, just want to share a quick discovery. So essentially, I have diodes connected to these coils, which are completely isolated from that primary. And what I noticed was that essentially, if this polarity is swapped, where this is positive to negative, this won't capture any energy. I have to swap this polarity to have this negative on top, positive on bottom for this coil to get it to work right to where the negative, as you can see, is the closest side here. And likewise with the other coil, it has to match the right direction with the polarity of this to capture any energy at all. So that's kind of interesting, is if it's not the right polarity, it won't capture any energy. And then another thing I noticed is if I touch this, the waveform coming out of this coil goes down. And if I touch this, the amplitude of the waveform coming out of this coil goes up. And then another thing that I learned here is that, um, well, I'll just show you it running just for the fun of it. We have our high voltage neon bulb, and it's kind of starting to bog down. And I just spun this going down for this time. And it seems like depending on the direction the spins changes how much one capacitor gets charged over the other. So I've noticed that it gets charged more on one side versus the other depending on which way this is spinning. So this is spinning right like this right now. So I'll turn this off, and then we'll go ahead and look at the sparks of these guys. So turn this off. So I'm touching the one that's closest to us for now. See if you can see anything. It was really small, but it was something. Now I'm touching the other one. That one seemed to be even smaller. So now I'll spin it the other way. We'll see if it's approximately about the same amount of time. Seems to be kind of bogging down. You can almost hear it tick. Okay, I'll turn that off. The closest one, do it first. So that one was pretty big spark. Biggest one yet. And now I'll do this one. That one was pretty big too. It's hard to tell if that was bigger than the other one though. But I think it was. So last time, so spinning this way, this one sparks more. And then when it's spinning this way, both of them get more energy and that one sparks more. Kind of interesting. So this whole system seems to work better with the magnets going that way. And then it also seems to work better with the ground side on this top side, like inverted from where the ground actually is. Here's some interesting observations.